Play on a swing.
Now, let's see what
Press the buttons to learn about my town.
Pretty bird.
Q says, what? What is
oh, that silly bird. Oh, that silly bird. Oh, that silly bird. He got knee pads on his little pants. Mimi, I got little knee pads on my little pants. So, because I got little ruffy skin up there. Because I crawl so much. Yeah. I just crawl so much, Mimi. How did he do?
He did well.
You did okay?
Yeah, he liked it this time.
Oh.
C says the.
You know, he has his own personality. He doesn't look like. He looks like himself, his own image. He's got a little richer, his cheeks makes him think of Richard. Really
Pretty bird.
and kind of his eyes.
Is for us.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Just the way he, you know, what he gives those looks. Oh, you trying to get down to walk?
C says
Are you trying to get down to walk?
is for us.
That's what he's doing. He wants to get down and walk. There. Now he'll go take his look and walk. Yeah.
Buttons to learn about my town.
Come to Mimi. That's the way. There, Texas. Oh, Mimi.
Page, Mother, please. You'll pull it over and it'll be a disaster.
Press the buttons to learn about my town.
Watch Mimi, William. Watch Mimi.
Is for us.
Texas.
What's the time?
That's good. Give Mimi a 5. Give Mimi a 5. Give Mimi a 5. That's
Here's
pretty.
the desiccation of all over and fall on birds. Don't want to fall on you either, William. Don't want it to fall on you either, William.
Okay, let me get your
Learn about my
water.
town.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm just so glad to see these kids. I have to show all the kids. I'm so glad to see these kids. Oh, look at that pretty tail. William, look here. William.
Pretty bird.
William, look up at Bird. He's spreading out his tail so pretty. Oh, look at Bird. Look at Bird. Look, William.